Welcome back. My name is Athena from DreamForgeAcademy, and I will guide you through this lesson. The final lesson replaces premature integration work with a decision-ready plan that states costs, responsibilities, risks, and go or no-go evidence. By the end of this lesson, you will create an evidence-based roadmap for commercial hosting, payments, subscriptions, live bank connections, compliance, and operations. Use this working model before touching implementation. Commercial hosting must permit the intended use. Payments require webhook verification, idempotency, refunds, disputes, and reconciliation. Bank connections require consent, secure tokens, sync recovery, provider errors, and data obligations. Launch only when business value justifies recurring service and support costs. The detailed course material explains the vocabulary and shows how these ideas connect to the visible product result. Work through the lesson in a controlled sequence. Choose business model, then research obligations, then score extensions, then define gates, then stage roadmap. Pause after each stage and inspect the result. This prevents a long agent run from hiding the first incorrect assumption or expanding into work that belongs to a later lesson. Claude Code leads the walkthrough, but the instruction is intentionally portable to Codex. Create a commercial production roadmap for this finance MVP. Cover eligible hosting, payments, subscriptions, bank connections, email, monitoring, backup, privacy, support, and compliance responsibilities. Use official sources, record dates, and do not implement integrations. Keep the acceptance checks visible, review the proposed scope before edits, and require a report of files, commands, assumptions, and deferrals. Verification is the learner responsibility. Confirm these observable results. Commercial hosting is eligible. Every integration has cost and failure ownership. Payment and bank security gates are explicit. The roadmap is staged by customer value. Checkpoint 4 is reproducible. Also preserve this safety boundary. Do not enable payments or live bank access until webhook, token, privacy, failure, and recovery controls are tested. If one check fails, repair the smallest responsible layer and run the check again. Complete the assignment. Complete checkpoint 4 with the deployed demo record, production roadmap, cost ledger, and a clear next investment decision. Then personalize the safe creative layer. Choose the business model and first production extension based on the learner niche and customer evidence. Save the verified state as checkpoint 4, learning demo verified and production roadmap ready. Thank you for watching. Keep using the course material as you put these lessons into practice. I look forward to guiding you through another DreamForgeAcademy course.